What's going on, everyone? This is Dom, and today we're checking out the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus. These are Samsung's latest flagship offerings for the year, but do they provide enough of an upgrade? Well, let's find out. First off, the design language here is roughly the same. That's not necessarily a bad thing though. You will notice, however, that the bezels have been slimmed down a little bit, which is definitely nice to see, and we even have a relocated fingerprint sensor on the backside to a much more comfortable and convenient location. Around the front side, we have a 5.8-inch and 6.2-inch QHD Plus Super AMOLED Infinity displays on the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus respectively that remain unchanged from the previous year, but these smartphones are also now packing stereo speakers, which have a nice rich sound in my brief testing. Samsung also made improvements to the face scanner here as well, and we have IP68 dust and water resistance. Around the backside, we have a much improved camera setup. So the Galaxy S9 packs a dual 12 megapixel camera setup, with one being the telephoto lens, but on the S9 and S9 Plus, the primary camera is an upgraded 12 megapixel shooter with an adjustable aperture of either f1.5 or f2.4. Now this makes for some excellent low light photography capabilities. So the aperture will change automatically depending on the condition, but in the Pro mode within the camera, you actually have the option to manually change it as well. And this is an actual mechanical aperture change in a smartphone, which is pretty much unheard of and quite impressive. Real quick though, I'd like to give a huge shout out to Audible for sponsoring this video. Audiobooks are great for self-improvement. They help you become a better you, a better fiscal you, a better healthy you, successful you, inspired you. And thanks to Audible, you get a chance to get a free audiobook and a 30-day trial membership. Just go to audible.com/Dom Esposito and browse the unmatched selection of audiobooks, download a free title, and start listening. So lately I've been checking out the Craving Mind, which is pretty awesome, and it helps me better understand how to break bad habits and what's inside of the brain that causes us to get hooked on them. Everything from smartphones to work habits. It's a pretty great book, and I definitely recommend checking it out. And Audible is very easy to use and a great way to become a better you. Plus, your books are yours to keep. With Audible, you can go back and re-listen anytime, even if you cancel your membership. Start a 30-day trial and get your first audiobook for free. Go to audible.com/Dom Esposito. That's audible.com/my name, Dom Esposito, or text Dom Esposito to 500-500 to get started today. Along with those camera changes, these smartphones will have the ability to shoot super slow-mo video at up to 960 frames per second in 720p, 240 frames per second in 1080p, and 60 frames per second in 4K. Now the slow-mo feature is pretty awesome and even includes an automatic motion detection feature to be able to capture that perfect shot. And overall, I'm excited to check this out. There's also a new AR emoji feature that allows you to create customizable characters based on your photo. Now it looks pretty similar to what's found on the Nintendo Wii, but it's cool nonetheless, and these are easily shareable with a custom keyboard as well. Now, in addition to that, these cameras and the tech inside will also allow for real-time translation of basically anything you point them at, which is super handy if you're on the go a lot or traveling. Internally, we have the Snapdragon 845 here. There's 6 gigabytes of RAM in the S9 Plus and 4 gigabytes in the S9. We have 64 gigabytes of internal storage and micro SD card expansion, and on top of that, we have Android 8.0. There's most certainly a lot of little things to be excited about with these smartphones, but I'm most interested in checking out the camera features, and be sure to subscribe for my unboxing and review video when it drops in the near future. But let me know which features are your favorite. Drop a comment below and leave this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and also subscribe for more videos like this in the future. Thanks again for watching, everyone. This is Dom, and I'll catch you in the next one.